Hi guys, welcome to the Deriv channel. So in today's video, I'm going to give you guys the best time frame you can use to catch spike and also scalp in the on bull market crash, guys. And also I'm going to give you guys the strategy you can use to catch the spike on bull market crash with the time frame. The best time frame you can use to count the spike in the market. So this is basically about the strategy and the best time frame to watch. You can use to scalp to catch spike and scalp in the bull market crash. Now, before we dive into the strategy and the time frame, just before guys, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also guys turn on the notification bell so anytime I post a strategy, you guys will be aware. Now, let's drive into the stage today's in this video. Now guys, let's talk about the time frame, the best time frame you can use to scalp and catch spike in the market before I give you guys the strategy you can be using. Now if you are a scalper, so if you do like to scalp in the market, like taking a little profit in the market and then leave the trade, then the advised time frame you can be using is the 1 minute time frame and 5 minute time frame. So you can take 5 candles on 1 minute time frame, and then you can catch just single spike or multiple spike if you do like, and then leave the market. Now if you're a day trader, the advised time to using is the 15 minute time frame and 30 minute time frame. You can also implement the 5 minute time frame as well as your entry, but the best time frame is 15 minute time frame. Now as a day trader, you require to leave the market for, let's say, an hour or even days as well to hold the market before you close your position in profit. Now the best time frame to use is 30 minute time frame. Now as a swing trader, the best time frame you can use is the hour time frame, guys. The hour time frame, you can use the 1 hour time frame, 4 hours time frame, and you can use your 8 hours time frame, even daily, guys, as a swing trader. Now a swing trader, you are eligible to open the market for days without leaving the market, and then you close the market on profit. Now if you are a swing trader or you do like to trade the market on the higher time frame, now I've mentioned the best time frame you guys can use to Now the best time frame you can use to catch spike in the market is the 1 minute time frame and the 5 minute time frame. Now if you want to catch multiple spike in the market, then you are you are eligible to use your 1 minute time frame if you do like to just take 5 to 10 candles or catch one spike in the market. Now but if you are a day trader, you like to catch multiple spike in the market, then you are good to just hold the market for some hours by holding your position before you leave the market. Now the best time frame is the 1 minute time frame if you are scalping, and the best time frame for this trader is the 5 minute and 15 minute time frame, and for the swing trader, hours time frame. Now I'm going to give you guys the strategy you can be using as a swing trader. I give you guys strategy. As a day trader, I give you guys strategy, and scalping, I give you guys strategy. Now I'm going to give the day trader and the swing trader and the scalping the same strategy they can be using to scalp spike and then scalp in the market. Now this is strategy, guys. This is strategy. You can see the markets have been trending to the downside for a while. Market is trending to the downside for a while now. You can see right there, and the market start changing the direction by trending to the downside right here, by trending to the downside, and then the market changing the direction by trending to the top side right here, trending to the top side. Now this is the strategy, guys. Let me show you guys the the strategy, just only including just moving average, guys, just moving average. Click on the icon and add this moving average, just one single moving average. Do the screenshot, guys, do the screenshot, not to make the video much longer. And after you do it, just click on done. Now this is what you need to do. As you can see right there, the market, the market is between, let me use this area right here. The market is being is being trading to the top side right here. Being trading to start that the moving average changing the direction. Meanwhile, change the direction to the upside, showing you guys that the market is trending to the top side. That is what you are going to be waiting for. That's what you are going to be waiting for. You are going to be waiting for the moving average to change direction showing you guys that the market is trending either to the top side or to the downside. You can see right here, market change direction. Now, this confirmation you need to see. You need to wait for the a candle to close above the moving average before you take your entry, guys. You have to wait for the candle to close above the moving average, showing guys the market is changing direction to the top side. Now, you can use your 4 hours time frame as well. You can use your 4 hours time frame as well. Wait for the market to for a candle to close above the moving average, and then you enter a trade and do TP when the moving average is changing the direction, showing you guys that the market is trending to the top side, the downside. Now, as you can see right there, I want to show you guys something. As you can see right there, you can see when the market change direction, trending to the top side, and you can see there's some spike coming at this area right here. There's some spike coming at this area right here. Now, if you switch to our 1 minute time frame, you can see now that the moving average is changed direction, showing you guys that the market is trending to the top side. Now, and you can see that it's a fake one. It's a fake one. The market still find a way to trend to the top side before crashing to the downside. Now you need to first check your 4 hours time frame to know if the market, if the candle have closed above the moving average before you close your position. You can see the 1 hour time frame give you a fake one, and the 4 hours time frame give you the exact market trend. Now, that's strategy for what? That's a strategy you can be using for swing trader, for a swing trader. This strategy is very, very effective and has 100% winning rate. 100% winning, very, very accuracy. The moving average is very, very accuracy, and this strategy very, very accuracy, guys. You can see it's very accurate. Now, I say scalping, and you guys strategy you can use as scalping. Now, let's say you are using your, I'm going to give you three indicators. Now, the first one is this moving average, and we are going to add another moving average. So I just don't let all those the swing trading strategy. I just want this indicator not to show right there. Now, let me change the moving average color to red, and then this is setup for the moving average setup, guys. So do the screenshot and then click on done. And I see that we are good to work. We are good to go. Next thing we are going to be adding is our So our relative strength index. This is setup, and the levels is right here. Then click on done, and then the next thing we are going to be adding on the moving average as well. It's a moving average. This is setup for the moving average. This is setup. Then click on done. Now, I mistakenly do something here. The moving average right here is what is applied to close, and then it's exponential moving average. Now, sorry guys. Now this is setup for the moving average right there. Now, you can see here we are good to go. Now, you can see something right here. Now you can see right here that you are going to be using your 15-minute time frame, and This is what you are going to be looking for. This is what you're going to be. You are going to be waiting for the moving average to what? For the moving average to cross over each other. Seeing a candle closing above the what? Closing above this. You see this red candle closing above this moving average, and also the moving average is reaching the 90 levels of the RSY, showing you guys that the market is what? Is trending to the downside. This is for the day trader. This is for the day trader. So then you go just entry right there, and then you take some spike, and and when you see when you see the candle closing above the red moving average, then you leave the market. Leave the market immediately. Now let me show you guys another example right there. What you see this candle closing above this moving average right there. Above the moving average right there, and then you see the moving average on the indicator on the one reaching the 90 levels of RSY, and then the market start crashing to the downside. That's how you're going to be using that's how you guys can be using the strategy to make money on boom and crash, guys. Now I very sure you guys you guys like this video, and if you find this video very very helpful, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and so guys turn on notification bell so anytime I put any strategy, you guys will aware. Thank you guys. I'll see you in the next video.